So how's this new helmet, camera and audio setup? Roll the intro. Morning, and welcome to a chilly autumn morning in the UK. And today I am testing out a new setup. I've got myself a new helmet. I'm not going to actually do a review of the helmet because it's the old Shoei GT Air 2 that is now just being discontinued for the GT Air 3, and I've managed to pick this up at a bargain price. So just because they're being discontinued, so there's no point me doing a review on this, because by the time this video goes out, I very much doubt you'll be able to get hold of one. So I'm not going to be doing that. I am using something new for the GoPro, so I'm using the GoPro Hero 8 as I always have done, but I've actually got a chin mount from the company Chin Mounts for the GT Air 2, which is a nice sleek design, and I will be doing a review on that and the company, so stick around for that. But for today it's just about getting the angles on the camera right, and also checking the audio and the mic placement in the helmet to see how that fares and if you can get good clear audio. Now this is the same setup I used on my Arai Renegade V, but obviously with the new helmet it's just about getting the angles right for the GoPro and getting the audio as clear as possible. And I will be doing another video throughout the winter showing you what my helmet setup is, so stick around for that. Before we get into it, I'd just like to ask if you could possibly subscribe to this channel, because I know I get lots and lots of views on my channel, but I'm really trying to grow the subscribers. So if you could hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, it would be much appreciated. But anyway, let's get back to the video. So how is this looking for you guys? I would really appreciate your comments, because obviously I produce these videos and I've got my opinion on how the camera angle is, how the audio sounds, but at the end of the day this is all for you guys, for your enjoyment. So I'd really appreciate your comments to tell me what you think of the camera angle and also the audio. But as you can see, it's a nice sleek design on the chin mount. It puts the camera quite flush with the helmet, so hopefully that's going to eliminate some of the wind noise and the buffeting that was getting on the Arai. That said, I think the Shoei GT Air is meant to be a fairly quiet helmet, well, certainly in comparison to the Arai, which was a really loud helmet. I think that was mainly to do with they had bits here covering the visor on the side which were loose, and the wind could get behind there, and it really did let a lot of wind noise through in my helmet, especially anything over sort of 40-50 miles an hour, and it was quite deafening, and I had to wear earplugs, which I recommend you do anyway. But yeah, this seems a lot quieter just initially anyway. Just on a side note, this Shoei, it's the first time I've had it. Well, it's not the first time I've had a Shoei helmet. I decided to get the Shoei helmet, the GT Air 2, after during the summer I picked up the Shoei JO, which is the open face, and I really enjoyed the comfort of that. And considering I come from an Arai helmet, which are known for their quality and their comfortness, I was really surprised with the Shoei. So I've spent out a little bit of money on this. It's not a massive investment, as I say, because I got it at a really good discounted price due to them being discontinued. but yeah, it fits really well, super comfortable, and I think the profile is a lot better as well. It's not so much of a bobblehead as the Arai, but again, I don't know if that's my imagination, just because it seems to fit that a little bit tighter. I've changed the inners a little bit. I've got a medium. I've got a 57-inch head, just over, which sits you in the medium bracket of the Shoei helmets. But the beauty with Shoei is you could just swap out the headliner or the cheek pads to make sure you get the best possible fit. I did have the standard headliner in it, and it fit really well, but I just found there was a little bit too much of a gap between my head and the forehead. I could quite comfortably fit, not comfortably, but I could fit a finger virtually up into that crevice. So I went up to the next size. I think the standard one's 9mm, and I went up to the 13mm, and that means I can just get the nail of my little finger up in between my forehead and the headliner, which I think is perfect for a new helmet. and it hugs my head really well. So this is my maiden trip on the in the Shoei, and so far I'm loving it. And I love it as well because it's got these this drop down sun visor in it, which is really handy. I just got to get used to where it is, but there we go. So it's nice, so I don't have to worry about sunglasses, and I don't have to worry about it getting dark, and by putting on a dark visor I can just bring that down, and that virtually covers the whole visor area for me. I can just see a little bit of clear light underneath, but it's minuscule, and it certainly doesn't affect my vision in any way. But anyway, that's it. As I say, I really appreciate you watching. Please let me know your comments on how you find this setup, because if you like it, I will continue with this. If you did like this, please press like. I really appreciate it if you would do that, and also hit that subscribe button, because as I mentioned, I really need to grow those subscribers up so I can bring you more content. But once again, I'd like to thank you for watching, sticking around to the end, and I hope to see you again soon. But in the meantime, ride safe, stay safe, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.